Okay, so for question 10, we are given a vector b and a vector a, and we are asked to find a minus 2b plus c equals 0. So we're supposed to find the vector that satisfies c in this equation. So first, we have a, we need to find 2b. So 2b would, minus 2b would be this vector here. This is the vector minus 2b. And in order to find the sum of a and minus 2b, which would be c, you need to place this vector minus 2b on the head of a. So we have a here. So now we need to put minus 2b on the head of a, and then we can do c from the tail of a to the head of minus 2b. So this is the vector c. And in algebraic terms, we would say that the vector c is a minus 2b plus negative a plus 2b. And this is because if this equals 0, then vector c has to be the opposite of vector a plus minus 2b. So this would be vector c, negative a plus 2b.